The stations were hooked up to the occasion. This is not an election thing. Don't give them that coverage for them to feel, because there are some of them are looking for being on the screen. Together, I can assure you we are going to win, and we are winning. And at least from today, we have seen the level that it has really gone down. Most state governors that decide to declare a state of emergency have called it off. And working together as Nigerians for Nigeria will succeed.
The Nigerian military has urged international and local media to cease coverage of nationwide protests against economic hardships under President Bola Tinubu's administration. Chief of Defense Staff Christopher Musa requested the media blackout during a Friday press briefing, saying, "This is not an election. Don't give them that coverage." This request follows 2 days of protests disrupting commercial activities across Nigeria. Reports indicate poor telecom coverage and slowed internet speeds, allegedly by the Nigerian Communications Commission (NCC) and the National Security Advisor (NSA) to hinder information flow from protesters. The call for a media blackout is reminiscent of